Hello students and good afternoon. So now I'm doing class for class 12. The topic is indefinite integration. So in the last online class also we were doing the same topic, that is indefinite integration. Same page number 338, exercise 5 from 4 mark section from the same book, Higher Mathematics for class 12 by Sailendra. Right? So now let's do this question number 4. Evaluate the following integrals. So number 1 is integration of cos cube x dx. So how will you integrate it? Okay, so therefore I is equal to, let us write here, I is equal to integration of cos cube x dx. So now first of all you have to simplify it. You cannot integrate it directly because there is no formula for integration of cos cube x dx. So in this case you have to use the formula from multiple angles. So what is that formula that you can use here? You know that cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, isn't it? This is the formula that you know. This is from multiple angles, that is cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3x. So from here you can easily get the value for 4 cos cube x. So 4 cos cube x is equal to, this is cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So this is the formula that you can use here. Okay, but it is given only cos cube x, but here we have got 4 cos cube x. So you should write here 4. You should multiply and divide it by 4. So therefore this is I is equal to 1/4 integration of, this is 4 cos cube x dx. So 1/4 into 4 cos cube x dx, so that this 4 will be cancelled and you'll get the same expression, that is cos cube x. Now you can put the value of formula for 4 cos cube x. What is that? It is cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So or I is equal to 1/4 integration of, what is 4 cos cube x? This is your cos 3x plus 3 cos x bracket close dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so we have got this expression, that is 1/4 integration of within bracket cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. So now after separating this integration you can easily integrate it because there is formula for this expression. Okay, so now let us separate it. Or I is equal to 1/4 integration of, this is cos 3x dx plus next, which is constant, 3/4, right? So this is 3/4 integration of cos x dx. Or I is equal to 1/4 into, what is integration of cos 3x? It is just like your integration of cos mx dx. What is the formula? It is sin 3x divided by 3. If it is differentiation, you could have written cos sin 3x into 3 minus sin 3x into 3, but this is the case of integration, so you should write sin 3x divided by 3. Then plus 3/4 into, what is the integration of cos 3x? It is sin x. So this is sin x plus c. So or I is equal to, this is 1/12, this is your sin 3x plus 3/4, this is sin x plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so there is similar type of problem, you can do it at home. I'll give you the homework. Now similarly in this way you can do this integration. So this is your homework, right? So this is your homework, integration of it may be sin cube x dx. तो यो चाहिँ तिमीले होमवर्क गर्न सक्छौ. त यसको लागि हामी के फर्मुला युज गर्छौं? Integration of sin cube x dx, you should multiply and divide it by 4, and then you can use the formula of sin 3x. What is the formula of sin 3x? It is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, right? Okay, then or what is 4 sin cube x is equal to it is 3 sine x minus sine 3x. So this is the formula that you can use for integration of sine cube x dx. Okay, now in this case also, you should multiply and divide by 4 first. So it will be 4 sine cube x. Then instead of 4 sine cube x, what will you write? It will be 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Then after separating, you can easily integrate them. So this is your homework. Okay, so you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 2. That is, you have to integrate sine to the power 4x dx with respect to x, that means, okay? And you can do similarly, this is your homework, integration of cos to the power 4x dx. So I'll show you this integration of sine to the power 4x dx. So you have to do homework, that is integration of cos to the power 4x dx, okay? So let's do this question number 2 here. So let us write here I is equal to, therefore I is equal to integration of sine to the power 4x dx. Okay, so what is the method for integrating it? You cannot directly integrate it, you have to simplify it first. So this power is even power, so you have to use multiple angles from trigonometry, right? So you should know this formula, that is 2 sine square x. What is the formula for 2 sine square x? 2 sine square x from multiple angles, 1 minus cos 2x. You may have 2 cos square x. If it is cos to the power 4x, you have to use 2 cos square x. What is the formula for 2 cos square x? It is 1 plus cos 2x. This is the formula that you have to use here. Since this is sine to the power 4x dx, you have to use the formula of 2 sine square x. Okay? यदि यो sin square x भयो भने multiply and divide by 2 हुने थियो, but since this is sin to the power 4x, you should multiply and divide it by 4, so that you can use the formula from multiple angles, that is from 2 sin square x, which is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, so therefore I is, let us write here 1/4 integration of 4 sin to the power 4x dx. Okay, so you can write it in terms of whole square, or I is equal to 1/4 integration of, this is 2 sin square x whole square. So in order to use the formula of 2 sin square x here, we have multiplied and divided by 4. So here 2 sin square x formula use गर्नुलाई नै हामीले यहाँ multiplying and dividing by 4 गरेको. The 4 sin to the power 4x हामी कसरी लेख्न सक्छौं? 2 sin square x whole square. So use the formula 2 sin square x, or I is equal to 1/4 integration of, within bracket, this is your 1 minus cos 2x whole square dx. That is 2 sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, so let us use the formula a minus b whole square. So this is 1/4 integration of, within bracket, this is a minus b whole square. Here a is 1 and b is cos 2x. So what is the formula? A square is 1 minus, what is twice ab? It is 2 cos 2x, plus what is b square? It is cos square 2x, bracket closed, dx. So I think you have understood it. So let us separate them. Or I is equal to 1/4 integration of dx minus, now this is 2 by 4, which is half, integration of cos 2x dx, plus then 1/4 integration of, this is cos square 2x dx. Understood? So now you can easily integrate these first two terms. This is integral sine dx x. This is just like your integration of cos mx dx. So now what will you do for cos square 2x? Again there is a square term, cos square. I already told you that whenever you have sine square and cos square, you should convert into multiple angles by multiplying and dividing by 2. By multiplying and dividing it by 2. So that you can use this formula again. Either it may be 2 sine square x or it may be 2 cos square x. Okay. Again, since there is cos square 2x, again you should multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so let us divide it now. Multiply and divide it by 2 here. So or I is equal to 1/4. What is integral sine dx? X minus half into what is integration of cos 2x? It will be sine 2x by 2, right? So in this case, since there is cos square, you know that you have to convert into multiple angles form. So you should multiply and divide by 2 here, so that you can use the formula of 2 cos square x, which is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So plus this will be 1 by 8 integration of this is 2 cos square 2x dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so let us simplify now. Or in the next step, I is equal to, this is x by 4. This is your x by 4 next. Minus, this is 1 into sine 2x divided by 2 to the 4. So this is sine 2x divided by 4 plus 1 by 8 integration of, what is the formula for 2 cos square 2x? If 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x, what is 2 cos square 2x? Instead of x, there is 2x. So it will be 1 plus cos 2 into 2x, that is your cos 4x. यहाँ के हुँदैछ? यो x को डबल हुँदैछ 2x. भनेपछि यो 2x को डबल कति भयो? 4x. So you should write here within bracket 1 plus cos. So double of 2x, that is 2 into 2x. What is 2 into 2x? It is 4x. So it is 4x bracket closed dx. So I think you have understood it. So let us separate them. Or I is equal to x upon 4 minus sine 2x upon 4 plus, so let us separate them, 1 by 8 integral sine dx plus next 1 by 8 integration of cos 4x dx. Okay, so or I is equal to, this is x by 4 minus sine 2x upon 4 plus, again what is integral sine dx? That is your x. So this is your x upon 8 plus 1 by 8 into, what is integration of cos mx dx? What is integration of cos x? Differentiation of which function is cos x? It is sin x, but here it is sin 4x. Since this is the case of integration, you have to divide it by 4. Then you should write plus c. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So or I is equal to, this is your x upon 4 minus this is sine 2x upon 4 plus x upon 8 plus, what is the last one? Sine 4x by 32. Sine 4x by 8 4s are 32. This is plus c. So now in the next step, similar terms can be simplified. That is, x by 4 plus x by 8 can be added. That is, these are the similar terms, you can add them. 4 and 8. What's the LCM of 4 and 8? 8, isn't it? Or I is equal to, here the LCM is 8 for the first term and the third term only. 4 and 8. What's the LCM? 8. So 8 is divided by 4. 8 lying, 4 divided by 2 times 2 into x. 2x plus, now divide 8 by 8, that is 1. 1 into x is x. So it is minus sine 2x upon 4. Is that clear? Then plus sine 4x by 32. Plus sine 4x by 32 plus c. It is only simplified. Okay. So or I is equal to, now what is 2x plus x? That is your 3x. 3x by 8 minus sine 2x by 4, right? plus what is the third term? Sine 4x by 32, then plus C. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. And similarly you can do this number, integral sine cos to the power 4x dx. So here also you should multiply and divide by 4. Then use the formula of 2 cos square x. You can easily get the answer. Okay. So you can copy it. So that is your homework. That is number 3. That is integration of cos to the power 4x dx. Okay. So you can copy it. We'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 4 of number 4. So let us integrate cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x and within bracket 1 minus sin 2x dx. So let us write I is equal to, that is we are integrating it. Okay. So now in this case cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x is given and within bracket there is 1 minus sin 2x. Okay. So you can use the formula for 1 minus sin 2x. So how can you use it? So there is no direct formula for 1 minus sin 2x. Only 1 minus cos 2x formula is there. 1 plus cos 2x formula is there directly. But there is no direct formula for 1 minus sin 2x. So there is formula for sin 2x. You should know the formula of sin 2x. What is sin 2x? It is 2 sin x cos x. And instead of 1, you can write cos square x plus sin square x. Okay. So let us write here, or I is equal to integration of this cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x is kept as it is within bracket. Instead of 1, you write cos square x plus sin square x. That is your 1. Minus, what is sin 2x? What is the formula for sin 2x? It is 2 sin x cos x. It is 2 sin x cos x, bracket closed, then dx. Okay. So let us simplify it. I is equal to integration of cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x into. Now there is formula for cos square x plus sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x. So which formula is used out here? It is a square plus b square minus twice ab, which is a minus b whole square. So what is a minus b whole square here? It is cos x minus sin x whole square. Then you can write dx. So I think you have understood it. So we can simplify it. So you can cancel here cos x minus sin x and this square will be cancelled. So write down the remaining terms. I is equal to integration of within bracket. It is cos x plus sin x, again within bracket. It is cos x minus sin x, bracket close, dx. So I think I have understood it. So now again there is a formula. This is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So therefore this is I is equal to integration of within bracket. What is the formula? This is your a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So it is cos square x minus sin square x, bracket close, dx. Or I is equal to integration of, now what will you do in the next step? Don't separate it. You may separate it and again you can use the formula for multiple angles. In that case also you will get the answer. But there is direct formula for cos square minus sin square x from multiple angles. So what is that formula? It is integration of, this is your cos 2x dx. Now you can easily use the formula. This is just like your integration of cos mx dx. So what is integration of cos mx dx? It is sin 2x divided by 2, then plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 5 of number 4. You have to integrate 2 minus sine 3x divided by cos square x dx. So let us write I is equal to, that means we are integrating it. So capital I is equal to integral sine 2 minus 3 sine x divided by cos square x dx. So now in this case, using the separation method, that is, you have to separate the term here. So let us separate the term here, or I is equal to integration of within bracket, it is 2 by cos square x minus 3 sine x divided by cos square x bracket close dx. Okay, or I is equal to, let us simplify it, integral sine within bracket. So this is your 2 into what is 1 by cos square x, this is your sec square x, minus 3 into, you can separate the term again here also, that is sine x by cos x into 1 upon cos x. That is, you can separate this cos square x, you can write it as cos x into cos x. 1 of the cos x is written below sine x dot 1 by cos x. So bracket close, then you can write here dx, or I is equal to integration of within bracket, this is 2 sec square x minus 3 into what is sin x by cos x, that is your tan x, what is 1 by cos x, that is your sec x, bracket close, then you can write dx here. So now you can easily separate them because we should use the formula in this case. Okay, so let's separate it again, or I is equal to, the li chhuttaउँदा के भयो, 2 is constant, so you can separate the term 2 integral sine sec square x dx. Let us write it, 2 integral sine sec square x dx. यहाँ बीचमा के sign छ, minus, again 3 is constant, it is taken outside, integration sign, isn't it? So 3 integration sign, then what do we write? Tan x sec x dx. Then you can write here, it is tan x sec x dx. Or I is equal to 2 into, what is integration of sec square x? That means, so how can you use the formula of integration of sec square x? Differentiation of which function is sec square x? Tan x. That means integration of sec square x is tan x minus 3. What is integration of tan x sec x dx? That means differentiation of which function is sec x tan x, that is your sec x. So this is integration of tan x sec x dx is sec x. Since the integration is done out here, you have to write c, that is the constant of integration. So this is the final answer. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do this question number 6 of question number 4. So evaluate the following integrals. That is integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin x plus cos x. Then dx is also there, that is with respect to x. So let us write capital I is equal to, that means we are integrating it. So integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. So here also you cannot directly integrate it. So you have to use the formula in the numerator. So which formula is used in the numerator? A cube plus b cube. You know this, a cube plus b cube is equal to, what is the formula? It is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. You know this formula, isn't it? That is known as factor formula. This is also a cube plus b cube, that is sin x whole cube plus cos x whole cube. Let us write here, I is equal to integration of, this is sin x whole cube plus this is cos x whole cube divided by This is sin x plus cos x dx. Okay? Or I is equal to integration of, this is your a cube plus b cube. You can use that formula. What is a plus b? It is sin x plus cos x. Right? Then what is a whole square? The a whole square is, that is sin x whole square, that is sin square x, minus ab. What is minus ab? Minus sin x cos x, plus what is b whole square? It is cos square x. This whole divided by, in the denominator you can write sin x plus cos x. Then you should write there dx. Okay? So now what will you do in the next step? You can cancel the similar terms here from both the numerator as well as denominator, that is sin x plus cos x. Or I is equal to integration of within bracket. Now you know that this sin square x plus cos square x is 1. You know that, isn't it? 1. Now you have to simplify this sin x cos x. So you know that if there is 2 sin x cos x, it will be sin 2x. हैन तिमीलाई थाहा छ sin 2x भनेको थियो 2 sin x cos x. But in this case we have got only sin x cos x. So you should multiply and divide it by 2 to use the formula of 2 sin x cos x. So let us simplify it. Minus half into 2 sin x cos x bracket closed dx. Is that clear? So we are simplifying it, right? So or I is equal to integration of within bracket 1 minus half is there into, now what is 2 sin x cos x? It is sin 2x. So let us write here sin 2x bracket close dx. Is that clear? Now we can separate it and you can easily integrate them. Okay? So or I is equal to integral sin dx minus half integration of, this is sin 2x dx. Okay? So or I is equal to, what is integral sin dx? That is x minus half into, what is integration of sin 2x? Differentiation of which function is sin 2x? That is minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus c. Is that clear? So what is the integration of sin 2x? It is minus cos 2x divided by 2, right? So the final answer is I is equal to x minus into minus plus, this minus into minus is plus. Then you should write cos 2x divided by 4 plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 7. You have to integrate 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. So let us write capital I is equal to integration of 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. So in this case you have to use the formula from submultiple angle. So you should know this formula. What is 1 minus cos 2x? That is your 2 sin square x by 2. You should know this formula. And next one is 1 plus cos x. What is it? It is 2 cos square x by 2. And this formula is from submultiple angle, right? So therefore I is equal to integration of, what is 1 plus cos x? 2 cos square x by 2 divided by, what is 1 minus cos x? This is your 2 sin square x by 2. Then you should write dx. Okay? So here this 2 gets cancels. Or I is equal to integration of, what is cos square by sin square? It is cot square x by 2 dx. Cos square by sin square means it is cot square x by 2 dx. Okay? So there is no direct formula for cot square x dx. But there is formula for cosec square x, isn't it? What is integration of cosec square x? It is minus cot x. You know that, isn't it? So if you have, so cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. So what is the formula for cot square x? This will be cos square x minus 1 is equal to, this is cot square x. Okay. So now instead of cot square x by 2, you can write it in terms of cosec square x by 2. So this will be I is equal to integration of, this is cosec square x by 2 minus 1 bracket close dx. Is that clear? So as there is no direct formula for cot square x by 2, you have to convert into cosec square x by 2. So you can use this formula. That is cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. So what is the formula for cot square x? It is cosec square x minus 1. Similarly, what is the formula for cot square x by 2? It is cosec square x by 2 minus 1. Okay. So now we can separate the term here, or I is equal to, now separate the term, integration of, what is that? Cosec square x by 2 dx, right? So this is cosec square x by 2 dx. यहाँ बीच में क्या साइन था? Minus. Then second term, integral sign 1 dx, that is integration of dx. Integration of dx. Okay. So or I is equal to, this is just like your cosec square mx dx. What is the integration of cosec square mx? It will be minus cot mx by m. Minus cot, here m is half, minus cot x by 2, m is half here, divided by m. What is m? M is half. Minus cot mx, m is half here, divided by m. What is divided by m? It is half. Then minus, this is x plus c. Understood? So or I is equal to minus 2. 2 goes up in the numerator. Your half ko 2 mathi goyo. So it is I is equal to minus 2 cot x by 2. Then minus x plus c. So this is the final answer. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is integration of within bracket cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta sin square theta bracket close d theta. Here the variable is theta. So this question number 8 is your homework. You can do it. So integration of sin theta plus cos theta divided by root under 1 plus sin 2 theta d theta is there. You have to simplify the denominator. So instead of 1 here, you write sin square theta plus cos square theta, and instead of sin 2 theta, you can write 2 sin theta cos theta from multiple angles. So use the formula of a plus b whole square. So then you can easily simplify it and then you can integrate it. Okay. So that is your homework, question number 8. So let's do question number 9. So let us write here I is equal to integration of within bracket cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, then sin square theta bracket close d theta. So how will you do it? You cannot separate it. So let us simplify it first. Since these are in terms of cos theta, this sin square theta can be written in terms of cos theta. What is sin square theta in terms of cos theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta, right? So let us write here I is equal to integration of within second bracket, it is cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta within bracket. What is sin square theta? This is your 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Second bracket close d theta, or I is equal to integration of within bracket. Let us simplify it. This is your cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta into 1 is minus 3 cos theta, minus into minus plus, this is your 3 cos cube theta. Is that clear to all of you? So this is minus 3 cos theta into 1 is minus 3 cos theta, minus into minus plus, this is 3 cos cube theta. Okay, bracket close, then you can write d theta, or I is equal to integration of within bracket. You can simplify it. You can add those similar terms. What is cos cube theta plus 3 cos cube theta? It is 4 cos cube theta, then minus 3 cos theta, bracket close. This is d theta. Is that clear? Next, therefore I is equal to integration of, now there is a formula for this 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. You 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta ke ko formula ho cos 3 theta. Okay, so cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So you should write here, this is cos 3 theta d theta. Okay, so or I is equal to, what is integration of cos 3 theta? Differentiation of which function is cos 3 theta? It is sin 3 theta divided by 3. Then you should write plus c. So this is the final answer. So you can copy it. So now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do this problem, that is question number 10 of number 4. It is given integration of dx divided by sin square x into cos square x. So let capital I, that is we are integrating it, that's why it is written as capital I is equal to integral sin dx upon sin square x cos square x, right? So now in this case 1 by sin square x is cosec square x. So if you write cosec square x into, what is 1 by cos square x? Sec square x dx, isn't it? You may write this one, 1 by sin square x is cosec square x, 1 by cos square x is sec square x. But how will you integrate it? So there is no any method for integration of cosec square x, sec square x. Okay, so in this case, before this dx there is 1 actually. So instead of that 1, you can write sin square x plus cos square x. Let us write it. So or I is equal to integration of, this is your sin square x plus cos square x divided by, this is sin square x into cos square x dx. So I think you have understood it. So let us separate it. Or I is equal to integration of, let us separate them, sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x plus this is cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x, bracket close, dx. Now this expression is separated here. So now here you can cancel the similar term. This is sin square x gets cancels, here cos square x gets cancels. Or I is equal to integration of within bracket. What is 1 by cos square x? This is your sec square x plus, what is 1 by sin square x? This is your cos square x, bracket close, dx. Now we can separate it. But if you write cosec square x into sec square x dx, you cannot separate them because this is the product. So you can separate the term when there is addition or subtraction. Okay, so let us separate the term here. Let us separate the term here. So let us separate the term. So now in this case, therefore I is equal to integration of, this is sec square x dx, then plus sign is there, plus integration of, this is cosec square x dx. I think you have understood it. Since there is plus sign, you can easily separate them. Or I is equal to, what is integration of sec square x? That means differentiation of which function is sec square x? Tan x. It is tan x. What is integration of cosec square x? Or differentiation of which function is cosec square x? minus cot x. It will be minus cot x. Then what do you write? Plus c. So this is the final answer. So you have understood it, I think. So you can copy it. We'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 12 of number 4, and this question number 11 is your homework, right? So this is your homework. The homework is you have to integrate integration of a sine cube x plus b cos cube x divided by sine square x into cos square x dx. So in this case you have to separate the term, that is integration of a sine cube x divided by sine square x cos square x plus b cos cube x divided by sine square x cos square x. Then cancel the similar terms from both the numerator and the denominator, simplify it, separate it, then you can use the formula so that you can easily integrate them. Okay, so this is your homework. So let's do this question. That is question number 12. So I is equal to, you have to integrate cos square x minus sine square x divided by root over 1 plus cos 4x dx. So let us use the formula now in this case. So therefore I is equal to integration of, what is the formula for cos square x minus sine square x? You know that this is your cos 2x dx divided by, within the square root here, 1 plus cos 2 theta form. This is your 1 plus cos 2 theta form, right? So as you know that 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So here instead of theta there is 2x. So what is 1 plus cos 2 into 2x? It will be 2 cos square 2x. Okay. So let us write here, or I is equal to integration of cos 2x dx divided by, within the square root. What is the formula for 1 plus cos 2 into 2x? It is just like 1 plus cos 2 theta. Instead of 2x there is theta, so it is 2 cos square theta. So now in this case it will be 2 cos square 2x. So I think you have understood it. Okay, the formula for 1 plus cos 4x is 2 cos square 2x. So you can write down the intermediate step, that is 1 root over 1 plus cos 2 into 2x. Okay, so root over 1 plus cos 2 into 2x. So that you can use the formula, that is 2 cos square 2x. Instead of theta there is 2x. So this is the formula 2 cos square 2x. Okay, or I is equal to integration of cos 2x dx divided by, this is, you can easily get the square root. Root over 2 is root 2. What is square root of cos square 2x? This is only cos 2x. Okay, so you can cancel them. Or I is equal to, which is the constant here that you can take outside? 1 by root 2. Okay, so here 1 by root 2 is constant, it is taken outside. Integration of, then only dx is here. Actually it is integration 1 dx. Okay, so or I is equal to, this is 1 by root 2 into, what is integral sign dx? That is your x. Then what do we write? Plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this is your homework. Okay, that is question number 11 is your homework, right? So now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 13 of number 4. So you have to evaluate this integration. That is integral of tan inverse within bracket sin x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. So let us write, let I is equal to integration of tan inverse within bracket sin x upon 1 minus cos x dx. So in this case inverse circular function is given. First of all you have to simplify it. You cannot directly integrate it. Okay, so let us simplify it first. So within bracket there is sin x upon 1 minus cos x. So you can use the formula from submultiple angle in trigonometry. So you should know all this formula, right? So sin x, what is the formula for sin x in terms of submultiple angle? It is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, right? And 1 minus cos x is there. So what is the formula for 1 minus cos 2x? It is 2 sin square x by 2. This is your 2 sin square x by 2. So you can use this formula now. So let us simplify it first. Then you can integrate it. I is equal to integration of, this is tan inverse within bracket, what is sin x? It is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by, what is 1 minus cos x? It is 2 sin square x by 2. Then you can write here dx. Okay, so here you can cancel this 2, cancel it, then sin x and square will be cancelled. Or I is equal to integration of, this is tan inverse within bracket, what is cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2? This is your cot x by 2 dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay, now again you have to simplify it. You cannot integrate it directly. If it is tan inverse, you should convert it into tan. Cot should be changed into tan. So how will you change it? You cannot write 1 by tan here. If you write 1 by tan, here, you cannot simplify it further. So there is another method for converting cot into tan. That is cot x is equal to tan 90 minus theta, isn't it? Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Similarly here also, or I is equal to integration of tan inverse. So cot is changed into tan. So within bracket you have to write 90 degree. But 90 degrees should be written in terms of pi by 2, then minus x by 2, bracket closed. Then what should you write? Dx. I think you have understood it. So there is another formula for cot x by 2 in terms of tan, that is tan 90 degree minus x by 2. But 90 degrees should be written in terms of radian, that is pi by 2 minus x by 2, then dx. Okay. So from inverse circular function, you know that if there is tan inverse tan theta, you should write only theta, isn't it? You know this formula, tan inverse tan theta is what? Theta. Similarly, what is tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus x by 2? It is only pi by 2 minus x by 2. So therefore, so what will you write for I here? Therefore, I is equal to integration of tan inverse tan will be cancelled. So within bracket we have pi by 2 minus x by 2 bracket closed dx. I think I have understood it. Now you can separate the term, or I is equal to, constant term should be written before integral sign. So pi by 2 is constant. So pi by 2 integral sign dx minus, here half is constant, and this is integration of x dx. Okay, so or I is equal to, this is pi by 2 into x minus half into, what is integration of x? You can use the formula of integration of x to the power n dx. What is integration of x to the power n dx? It is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. You know that, isn't it? So it is x squared divided by 2 plus c. Or this is I is equal to pi x upon 2 minus x square upon 4 plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. You can copy it. So this much is for today. त आज हामीले जति पनि प्रब्लम्सहरु गर्यौं यो सबै घरमा तिमीले रिभिजन गर्नु, होमवर्क दिएको पनि गर्नु, बुझेनौ तिमीले मलाई कमेन्ट गर्न सक्छौ, और तिमीले मलाई कल पनि गर्न सक्छौ कि सर यहाँ बुझिन भनेर सोध्न सक्छौ। त यो सबै घरमा जति पनि गर्छ सबै रिभिजन गर्नु। So in the next online class we will do more problems on this indefinite integration. So this much is for today.